Welcome to week 6 CAD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a nut. Start a solid edge, click on new, click on the metric part, and click on the extrude command, click on the front, click circle by center point, move to the center. When the midpoint indicator appears, click and drag away. Enter 18 as the diameter of the circle because the that is the one showing on the drawing. Right. Now we can zoom in a bit, then we can click a line command, draw lines over the circle, but tangent the circle as well. So one line like that. Click. So right click to cancel the command. Another click. Click over there. And tangent, click, right click. Click. Tangent. Click, right click. Click. Once tangent. Click, right click. Click. Once tangent. Click, right click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have one more. Click. Okay. Click, right click. Right. Okay. Now we can use the parallel command to make that line in parallel with this one. And that line in parallel with this one. That one in parallel with this one, and make the opposite lines parallel to each other. That one with this one. Okay. So we use the reshape to constrain the shape of the hexagon. Next is use a dimension to do the constraint. Use this angle between to set the angle between this line and this line. Click, click, click. 120 as the angle, and between that one. Like so, look. Click again. That one and that one. Click 120. Enter. Right now we have the right shape. We just need to trim off the extra lines using the trim command here. Click, 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 click. Okay, so we have the right shape now. Now we just double check whether the circle is still 18. Click. Okay, it's still 18. If you want to change it to large one, you can change large one. For example, 40. So everything goes the same time. So you only need to change one dimension so as you can change the whole hexagon shape. Let's do it again. Change it back to 18. Okay. Right. So now we can extrude it into the third direction. Before do that, we need to turn this circle into construction line. Right, because we don't want this circle to take a part of the extrusion. Click on the command and click on the circle. Now we can close sketch. They will extrude in the third direction. The thickness of that one, according to drawing, is 8 into 8. Let's return. And then you choose which direction you want to extrude it. So that's it. And close. So we get hexagon shape. Next is to use a cut to cut this hole with a thread on the front. Collect the cut, collect the front. And right, okay, that isn't a right command. We need to use a hole command because we're going to cut a hole with a thread. If the smooth hole with a cut, if it's a hole with a thread, we use the hole command. So you need to pay attention here. Click that one. Click on area. Then we can click on these whole options. Here, click on this thread one. Here is a standard thread, which is M12 according to the drawing. Click M12. Here, click on to hole extend so as the thread go all the way to the hole. Right. For the rest, that should be okay. And then you click on OK. Then move to the center, click, and click on the green tick, and move to that direction, click, finish. Now we have a hexagon shape with the holes on it. The next is to add chamfers to it. So I only do the chamfers around the edge. To do that, we need to use reverb cut command. This is the one. Click on this one. Make sure you choose this plane. Okay. And click. Now you can choose a straight line as the cutting plane. Move your mouse to the corner and this direction. Click, right click. Then we use the angle between that one. No. So if we click and put 30 in it, press return. Okay. Now we need to actually click on the axis for revolution is here. Click that one. Click that one. That is because these lines come close to the axis. So cross that one. Move this one to there. Okay. Make sure, turn this around, make sure the arrow points away from the, rather than this way. This is the right way. Click. Now you can swing your mouse around, you can see the corner is cut. If you want to do the 360, click on this one and click on finish. You have a nut. On top of that, you need to add chamfers to the edges. Okay, that's it for this video.